I think what happened at Nuremberg certainly was an influence in how we reacted to what happened in Sierra Leone. But I think that the influence of Nuremberg was most directly felt when the Security Council created the ad hoc tribunals. And it gave us a basis to say that there are some crimes that are so heinous that at least some level of offender should be held accountable to the international community. These are no longer just a national level. Plus, the states may not prosecute them. So for a crime that at its core impacts every member of the global community, there should be an international response. And that, I think, comes from Nuremberg. And people talk about Nuremberg as victor's justice. Well, in a sense it was, but the response to that criticism isn't to say we let everybody go free. The response to that criticism is to make sure that even the victors are held accountable to the rule of law and the prohibition against these crimes. So I think Nuremberg lives today, not just in the rich history that it gives us, but it lives today in these international ad hoc courts and in the creation of a permanent international criminal court.
What he did there as a prosecutor, opening statement, closing statement, cross-examination, is that part of the Brenda Hollis world?
It was part of the world in the sense of, if you want to see really effective advocacy, there are a few classic examples, and certainly he was one of those examples. So from that point of view, how do you be the best you can be? He was an example of how you could achieve that goal.
This is terrific. Just so glad you're here.
Well, I'm very happy to be here.